going ahead, center mirror, look to the right. If it's safe, then continue. Now we got another mini roundabout. We're going ahead, check our center mirror, off the gas, nice and slow, look to the right hand side, make sure nobody's coming to the right, then continue. As we're driving down the road, I've got a pedestrian crossing, check my center mirror, scan side to side, the light is changed red now, mirrors, gentle brake, let the person finish, then continue going. So now just wait for the light, and when the light is changed, then we can go. 1, 2, 3, yes, we can go ahead now. Look both sides. Now as we're going down the road, we can see the road is bendy, so we just follow the layout of the road, then we can continue. Okay, so what we can see, what we can't see, what we expect to see. I can see down the road the sign of a bus lane. So what is the time of the bus lane? It says Monday to Friday 7 to 10 a.m. 4 to 7, and then Saturday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So today is Sunday. We can use the bus lane because it's out of operation, but at the moment I don't need to. The road is clear. So once we get this part of the road, then what will happen, the bus lane is finishes. But before we go to this corner to go ahead, we got to check our center mirror, left mirror, just make sure cyclist, bicycle, scooter, nobody coming onto your left hand side. Now the speed limit changed to 20. Now looking down the road ahead, speed is 20, so make sure speed is not going more than 20. Pedestrian crossing here, look ahead and plan, anticipate here. Now the light is changed to red, look ahead, mirrors, gentle brake when you're stopping behind the car, tire and tarmac. So I can see the tire of the car in front of me and the tarmac on the floor. So the speed is 20. Now this is a Pelican crossing, but nobody's there. If it's clear, we can proceed. So speed is 20. Now we got a bus line on the left hand side. The white car is about to move out. So mirrors, gentle brake, let him finish, then we can go. Check my left mirror, then continue. Okay, so we got a here pedestrian crossing coming down the road, but at the moment is a roundabout. The speed is changed to 30. So mirrors, then continue. As we go down the road, we go, as we said, pedestrian crossing down the road far ahead. How to deal with a pedestrian crossing? So check our mirrors first, then scan side to side, then we can go. At the moment, we got a car parked in the middle of the road. So center mirror, right mirror, move away from the car. Why? Because just in case somebody opened the door. So mirror, mirror, come back again, pedestrian crossing, nobody. Now continue. Look far down the road for ourselves, then plan for ourselves ahead. So junction to the left hand side, make sure nobody's coming. Now junction to the right hand side. As we go constantly, the secret part of your driving test, or the secret part of good driving safely, is planning. If you plan good, everything is good. Pedestrian crossing, center mirror, the scan side to side. If it's safe, then mirrors, then continue. As I'm looking down the road, and I can see the bus stopped already there, so check my center mirror, right mirror. If there's space, move out from the bus, but anticipating the bus is now moving off, so mirrors off the gas, then let the car roll. Now we got a mini roundabout here, so check our center mirror, and then off the gas. You got cars coming from the right hand side, but this car is going left, so I can go. I can see the blocker as well. The blocker is going ahead. Now the speed changed to 20. So now we got two roundabouts coming back to back now. So we're going ahead, mirrors off the gas, nobody in the right, continue. Now anticipating anybody coming from the right hand side, nobody coming, just look around. That the speed changed to 20 here now. So this is Waltham Cross town center. It's 20. We're going ahead, and this is coming up roundabout, which is controlled with the traffic light, and we're going towards Enfield test center. Right. Okay, so now we've got a bus lane, but we can't use the bus lane because Sunday is out of operation. So we're going to take the second exit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check my center mirror and left mirror, signal left. I can use the bus lane because Sunday is out of operation. Now cancel my signal and stay behind the bus. So this roundabout controlled with the traffic light, so I don't have to worry about the cars coming from my right hand side. So the first exit would be quick fit, second exit we're going ahead. So now nice and smooth, look ahead, make sure we got the space the other side. Yes, I do have a space. Just stay behind that bus. Now just be aware of the white car next to me might jump in, so stay here. So now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and then cancel. Now I'm going to change my lane to the right. Center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and I'm going to smoothly change my lane to the right. The reason I've done that because the left lane is closed. So now cancel my signal. Now what I need to do, because I'm going to take the second exit to the right hand side towards Enfield Driving Test Center, towards Lidl, what do I need to do? I'm just going to stay in this lane because this roundabout control with the traffic light, and because I'm going to take the second exit to the right. This road usually is 40. Due to the road work, the speed is reduced to 30. So make sure I'm not going over the speed. I'm looking far down the road and make sure I'm slowing down enough. So now I'm going right, second exit. So center mirror, right mirror, signal right. The light is green. I anticipated already. The first exit goes towards Walter Mavi. What do I need to do now? Here, as soon as I pass first center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Check my center mirror, left mirror, and then proceed and be aware of this light. Now continue looking far down the road for myself, and here speed change back to 40, so mirrors and then accelerate. So now we're approaching Lidl. So now we're going to take the first exit to the left hand side. So what do I need to do? As soon as I pass the Lidl, I'm going to do mirror signal and then go. I'm going to just let this car to move, let him go, then I can go. So now left, so center mirror, left mirror, signal left. The person pressed that button already for pedestrian. I'm just going to be aware of that, and I'm going to look to the right hand side, make sure nobody's coming. 1 2 3, then continue. Safe, stay on the left lane. Then once my steering is straight, cancel my signal and then continue going. Okay, so now when the traffic light comes up, at the traffic light I'm going to turn left towards Enfield Driving Test Center. So car park, mirror mirror, signal right, change my lane. The reason I've done that because the left lane is a lot of cars parked there. Stay here where I am at the moment, but I'm gonna center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and because I'm going to the left hand side, so nice and slow. At the moment there is not much space. When these cars move forward, and then I'm gonna come to the left hand side, because at the moment there's not much space. I'm just gonna wait here because the light is red anyway, so it doesn't make any sense to change my lane at the moment. Now 1 2 3, check my left mirror again, then I can continue. Okay, so now center mirror, left mirror, signal left again, and my light is green. I'm just gonna go, but what I need to do, I'm gonna check my right shoulder just in case somebody comes from the right hand side. Now I can continue. So this part of the road is the speed is 30, so it's not 40 yet. A lot of people make mistake here. The moment see the speed limit, they accelerate here. So no, pass the sign first, now center mirror, down, now continue. Okay, so now the car is going downhill, so I make sure my speed is not going over. So my speed is at the moment 38, 39, which is good. So I'm just going to check my mirror, come off the gas, and then when I go uphill and apply more gas here. So now continue going, and a roundabout coming up, and this roundabout I'm going to take the second exit to the right hand side, and this roundabout will take me towards Enfield Driving Test Center. So what do I need to do? When I get closer to this roundabout, then check my center mirror, then my right mirror, then signal right, and position myself to the right hand side. Now slow down, the speed is not more than 15 here. So now slow, look right, and continue. So make sure stay closer to the roundabout. If you signal cancel, just in case, apply back again. So continue, go to the right hand side. Now center mirror, signal left once you pass the first exit, and then continue. Now cancel my signal, then here I'm going to turn inside Enfield Test Center. So center mirror, signal left, and then go inside towards the test center, then continue. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn around my car. Okay, Thank you guys. I hope you found this video useful. Have a lovely day.